We're here in Sparendam on a Sunday morning. Hi guys. It's actually Independence Day, the 26th, and we're going to look at some bird racing. Is there, guys? Put these birds on a pole and see who can sing more than the other. Don't interrupt the birds. Morning, morning. So everybody, competition is in full swing.
The man and black post.
Hey man, lay run this board, man. Me get for run it just.
Hey man, what make a hand call again on the man? Let the board there, man.
Mikhail.
What the man move?
Hey, lay run the board. This board here for run just.
This man went two bombs guy in there. Two big rats to board, buddy. Who get board run after the body? I got a board to roll. That's man get board. Somebody got come to board. Come board.
Come on, Terry.
Come board.
One come here, man.
Board can't come to board. Come to board. Terry, you come to board.
2. Three.
One cut.
Don't rock.
Board rock. Swally spit.
4. 5. 6. 7.
15. Hey man, let him move the ball from now. Hey, carry the brown ball from somebody.
20. 21. 22.
17.
25. 26. 27.
Make it like he's drugs and board on the board. Just sit down like this. Like 2. You want the drugs, but you're looking for the drugs. You're going to cup. The marijuana, you're looking for scum. Yeah? The rock and put that here, no? Walking board, then he's driving. 6. If you go here, it's 7. You should make 100,000 for the buy.
48.
How the ball we could see on the right. Goodbye. Police are looking at the boy here.
So which bird is the winner?
You ready?
This bird winner is the 50. So is this how you always you race them? Is always the 50? So every year is a jubilee year for the birds.
Yeah, buddy. Holidays and thing.
Holidays.
Yeah, so it's not fun for me, you know what I mean?
So what was the problem with the hen bird down there? What the hen birds do then?
You know when I buy a girl how you just want to get on?
Yeah.
And those focus and concentration. Same thing with the board.
Oh, so when they hear a female,
yeah,
they lose concentration.
Yes,
oh. So how many birds you always race normally? Whoever turn up?
We have right.
Alright.
Come on, race this board.
This two board guy. Hey,
you're racing board. I want to race again. I want to board free. I want to run.
Just gonna run?
Let me just put it here. Where's the one door? I got board free. You got 2 million focus on the channel board? Yeah, set up something. Then a vehicle there, big vehicle. You warm up the board, boy.
So the board pick up his feet for the day. Let me one over again. Never mind.
How you warm up a bird?
Yeah, same ramp way doing here, you just give you one before you got to pool.
Oh,
You know?
I'm learning.
Let get a little heat up like, you know.
Okay,
Yeah, unstoppable versus showstopper.
The bird even got name.
Yeah. They can name just like people.
The Unstoppable versus Showstopper.
That name of me get you over there.
Yeah, boy. So first to 50.
Why? This is like 26. 27.
You have to bite.
28. 28. 29. 29. 40. 41. 41. 43. 42. 43. 44. 45. 45. 46. 46. 47.
I got him on fire ready.
47. 48. 48.
I get Julius ready.
49. 40. 41. 41. 43. 44. What do you want? 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Board job and fine, buddy. Board job and fine, buddy.
So that would be the winning bird. You got to 50 first. And it seems other people referee the games. So if you're racing a bird, you don't referee the game.
Anybody want to run?
You can.
Huh? You can referee your own bird. Yeah. And what kind of birds they got around here though? Tower? Yeah. Would like the two up there, would they? Tower?
Every holiday, right?
Yeah,
on
wicked.
Saturday.
Yeah.
We just say about on Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday? And what kind of birds you got down here? What kind of bird you got? Tower. What kind of bird you got? Tower seems famous. And what kind of birds you guys got?
Tower, fire red.
Fire red? Those are the most popular birds down here?
Yeah.
And if somebody wanted to learn more about birding, I guess they gotta come down here and meet you guys. But y'all share your knowledge. Fantastic. Thanks a lot, bro.
We gotta Google it, watch. Type in Oryzobora sangolensis and you'll find it.
Oryzobora sangolensis. Alright, we got some Guyanese that know the scientific names of things. I like this guy. So this is the pole on which the birds fight. And down here, they're like hang there. They hang them. So how long do you train these birds for? Because people talk about training them.
No, well, they develop a different. Some birds develop faster than some. So it's not a matter of time. Some birds develop very quick.
So it's literally after sort of be in tune with the personal bird, the individual bird.
Be in luck to get a good bird that way. Develop
So it's
quick.
luck.
Yeah, it's luck. It's luck.
It's luck. So you got any good luck with your bird, or you had bad luck so far?
Good luck.
Good luck? Alright. Been around the birding for a long time?
Yeah, they know since me a little boy, man.
Since you're a little boy?
But with these days, I couldn't afford these days.
Yeah.
When I get small, when I get big and get money, then I afford
You could afford. So how much these birds cost?
Like this one is a 320,000 guy in the dollar.
What?
This
bird is $320,000.
This bird in cash money.
The bird actually has a name, cash money.
Cash money.
So what would determine the price of a bird or the value? How could you fetch that?
Like earlier where you went videoing, you put on the next board there.
Like you put
Which one make good like that? With force 50 make decision like with the two board men.
Yeah.
And you play, before they place your bet.
Oh, you bet beforehand?
Yes. And
So
then
if
you
you're a
go on
bird,
there,
yeah.
and you get like check man. One.
So you were a check man. You were one of the
you
people
saw me
counting.
earlier,
I saw you earlier.
All them
You was
say
counting.
We get different people would want different people would want different count.
Because at first I thought it was the bird owners checking the
This is the
rackle.
baddest in the country. This one no.
Cash money?
No, this one.
Oh, this birdie? What the bird name? The bird named Deportee. I gotta love the original names down here though.
Don't be black. Must always remain brown.
So where do you keep the female?
You don't mind female.
You don't mind? Well,
You don't mind hen.
how come someone today was saying they gonna move a hen? Someone had a hen around.
You set up board, you set up them cock with hen. What I want people to do? Oh, I like me don't do that.
Oh, you mean set them up? You get them more vexed or you get them excited?
Hype board, right. Like show them
the female like call and
show them right. Just get them hype board.
To excite them.
What they do is they have an annual competition with over 300 birds where you'll find referees and everything, judges, there's different categories and there's prizes in terms of monetary trophies and so forth. It's similar in New York, but not as big as it should be because the birds aren't native to that climate. But what they do is, I think in the past, the birds went over there. Well,
In
they were
pockets.
smuggled.
Yeah, I know.
So
they throw paper.
so they rear them, they breed them.
So here we are. This is Bird Racing Sunday.